I'm going to do a quick overview of our new AI assistant in Composer. So I have a story set up here that I'll walk through the main workflows with the AI assistant. Uh, all right, so we have a basic story here. We can see we have a couple of fields filled out, some empty metadata, and we'll see how the AI assistant gets to work with our editorial review process. So the first thing that you'll see up here is the new AI assistant in Composer. So you can see here that there are no suggestions yet. This runs on save. So once I hit save and make some changes to this story, we'll see those suggestions come in. So I'll just close this real quick, make a quick edit, hit save, and then you'll see the AI assistant get to work. So I'm over here on related items. You can see that because this environment has vector search enabled, we can see that this added some related items. You can see it working over here in the story body. And so what this did is it kicked off an automatic editorial review process. So we can open up the AI assistant and get a summary of everything that happened here. So we can see here that this went through an AI style guide review, which is what is here in the story body. We can view this as a summary here or directly in line and in context to what suggestions the AI assistant is giving back. We can accept all or reject all or come in here individually. We can also see metadata updates, and this is something that is configurable in Arc Intelligence settings. So we can see here that these were automatically applied to the story, and you can see where these were added in directly. Down here, we have the supporting content review, which is what we saw over here with related items added by AI, as well as featured media added by AI. So this is a really effective way of doing quick editorial review on a story in order to improve the review process overall. A couple of things to note, just in general, we have Arc Intelligence settings that are backing this. So everything that is run over here is connected to our existing Arc Intelligence prompts. So we can see that we have description here. The style guide review uh, is what controls what feedback is getting applied to the story. So those are the suggestions that we just saw applied. And this is entirely customizable to a customer's environment. So we can see that here, any rules that we want the style guide checker to adhere to can be placed here. And then this is what comes back to what suggestions and how they're applied here. One thing to note here is that we have a big focus on making sure that we are providing several review points in this workflow. So once we hit save again, we'll see a new modal for reviewing auto-applied changes. And so this will surface anytime AI is making changes to that draft. So we can either save it without reviewing or review those changes, which just gives us a summary view of what we just saw. So we can see here, we can hit save, which will automatically apply those changes that were applied to the story directly and go from there. And so it's a quick and easy process. And that is a general overview of how the AI assistant works in Composer.